Magkano? Sige. Okay, magkano ibigyan lang? Happy anniversary, monthsary, my hummy, yummy, daddy, and sammy, yummy.
Pailawod mo na kami.
Kaya makuha kami.
Gawin na dahil na.
Sige. Ayun nga yun, doon pa. Mahalingan kita doon. Hi, Sir Chrislet! Tapos ano nga? Lubi. Thank you, Sir Chris. Celebrating.
Pero makaano kami lubi, makuha yung hapon kami.
Sige. Thank you. Happy 6-month anniversary, Sheryl, my love! Happy. I'm so happy. Hi, King. Hi, hope you're doing good today always. Thank you, King. Ezekiel Rodriguez. Hi, Ezekiel. Thank you so likes. Hi, my love. Thank you, King. Thank you so much. Thank you, my love, Mike. Happy. Cha-na-na-na. It's so nice to be happy. I love. Thank you for likes. Thank you for the likes. That's right. Yes, King. That's right. Brad. Kevin, beautiful. Thank you, Kevin. My love. Earth symbol, do you sweep the street in the morning? What? Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Oh my God, my God, no, 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 no. Ah, sige. Kuha na. Ayaw, ngayon na, di na nakabutang. My God. Mommy! Mommy! Good morning, Mommy! Good morning, my beautiful love! Ah! Thank you for the likes! My good morning, Buang Burger! Oh my God! Why Buang Burger? That's so a good name. Why Buang? Oh my God. Why buang? A lot of buang, don't, kuhan. Huwag ka nang dumagdag. A lot of buang, already, it's the best. Nah, no the best. Marami ng buang, a lot of buang na already, a lot of liars na, oh my God. A lot of scammers na, oh, a lot of fake people, oh my gulay. Where's my stepson? 70 years old. Where he is? Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Scorpy. Hello, Scorpy. I'm fine. Hello, up at the bar. I'm fine, Scorpy. Where's my stepson? He is still stubborn. Sorry, internet connection interrupted. Sorry naman. Sorry, internet connection is having a problem here. Sorry. I'm sorry. Internet connection problem here. Sorry. Frozen, yes. Because internet connection, something like that. Frozen, yes. Maybe he's in jail. If so, he will need no money. Mommy is broke. Maybe he asking her daddy. His daddy. Mommy is still broke, so that's why maybe he asking his daddy Mike. Daddy Mike is rich than mommy, my God. Sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry, the internet problem. Always problem the internet here, my God. Celebrating. I'm happy today because today is the day of the 14th day of 6 months. Sorry, my God. In 6 months, I never felt that like it's all happiness with Mike, something like that. No argue. We never argue in 6 months, and no feel jealous. No third party, something like that. It's a very smooth, happy. Oh my God, it's amazing. First time I experienced the date, he treated me so very well. He treats me so good. The love is something like 100%. I feel so sure. I feel safe. I feel secure. No more worries. No need to feel jealous to another woman because he will. He's like the type of the man that he's very loyal. So no worries. That's why I keep it this man. I need to take care of this relationship because so beautiful, so loyal, honest. He's a very honest person. So very direct to the point. He don't like something like he will tell you. That's the one of personality I like. That if he don't like something like that, he will tell you. That's also me. No need to pretend that it's everything fine, but it's not fine. No, that's one of my personality I like. Is something like he tell you like, maybe something like that. He will tell you. So that's why no worries. And no reason to no overthinks a lot. I'm not overthinking too much. I like what if he took someone? What if he cheated on me? What if he just using me? Something like that. What if? No more what ifs because he makes me feel something like he's sincere. His word is his word is his action is speaks louder than voice, something like that. Good morning, Uncle Freddy. I'm not loyal. I'm not loyal. No. You're the first time I trust. You're the Sir Fred. Before I trust Mike, I trust you first. Sir Fred. So that's why you're the first. You're the bridge. Something like why I love again, trust again, something like that. Good morning, Sir Fred. Thank you so much, Sir Fred, for everything. Thank you. Why I met Mike, something like that. How are you? I'm fine. Scurpy. Damn, you trust me. What the fuck? What the fuck? Thank you. Yes. Because you're the first person, you know the whole story, and I trust to tell you, and also Mike, that what happened to my past, and also I know that Mike also we have me and Mike having a past relationship, failed relationship before we met. So that's it. So very fresh. So it's one. It's one that we are freshy, very fresh breakup, something like that. That's why I don't even the friends. I don't trust friends before because I have a story about something like that. Congrats on putting up with Mike for 6 months. Yes. Balmi Susa, hello. Marco Lene Artiga, hello. Hulat mo istas.
Babae yun.
Hulat mo istas.
Ay, ano, wala pinto. Kapag wala ako pag
Ang ganda doon, wala na ulan niya. Anong taong lugulan ulan niya? Dalahaw, dulok to.
Thank you 11 people in the house. Thank you for the like. I post up celebrating your 6 month. Thank you Sir Freddy. Uncle Freddy, thank you so much for supporting me and Mike. For supporting me and Mike relationship. Something like that. Thanks a lot. Thanks for everything. Oh my God. How are you, Santa Rosa de Lima, my friend from Colombia? Hello from Colombia. You're welcome, Mommy Cheryl. You're welcome, Mommy Cheryl. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hindi na ni siya may saka?
Oo. Hindi ho. Di ba sa may bahos baganian nakalugtong pa sa iyo.
Wait lang. Thank you, Sir Fred. I am so glad that thank you Sir Fred. Alright. Coffee.
May ulit pa. Sanahin mo.
Thank you 15 people who hit the likes. Thanks a lot. On my last cup of coffee, then we'll pressure wash some more before rain. But had to come and congratulations to the happy couple first. Oh, thank you, Sir Freddy. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thanks a lot. More months, years count. More years, month count. For 2 months, yes, 2 months waiting. 2 months waiting. 2 more months. Bye, Mom Cheryl and Mike. Thank you. Okay, guys, enjoy. I will get started here. Thank you, Sir Freddy. Thank you so much. God bless. I will call Mike. Wait lang. Wait lang. I will call you, my lovey. Wait. Oh my God. What happened to me? What happened to me? Oh my God. Yeah. Bye, bye, Uncle Freddy. Concert. watching my own live because if something, no more comments guys. Stick on you. Wait lang, wait my hubby. Stuck on you. Wait lang. Wait. Hi babe, hi babe. Phoenix, thank you for joining Phoenix. Hello, if you are still here, Fred. Hey Phoenix, how are you doing today? Hope you all good is good. God is good down there in Texas land. It's good here. We're supposed to get some rain. Okay, it is going back into upper 90s here again starting tomorrow. Oh my god, starting tomorrow. Wait lang, wait lang, sweet. Oh, this is it. you. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Alright. How are you doing? Doing fine. Thank you, Babe Phoenix. Thank you, Babe Phoenix. It's like it, Sir James. Thank you, Sir James. Oh my God. Thank you, Beb Phoenix. Thank you so much. I can't no comment here. I didn't say it. That's why I want to read this because something like that. Thank you, 10 million. 10 million in the house. Behave, young lady. Behave, young lady. Behave. I'm behave. I'm always behave. Why I need to behave? Oh my God. Wait, I need to play the song. I need to play. This is the Gab's phone. This is Gab's phone. Wait, I need to play the song. Favorite. And as long as I live with you look so beautiful in white. Dedicated this song to my love, hubby daddy. Phoenix, did you see the fine shirt Fred made of GTV showing her passport and asking for foreigners to buy her free vacation? Now Fred is calling GTV TTJ, short for TT Junior. Oh my God. Storm is supposed to come in, babe. Ah, okay. You need to be careful, babe. TT. I'm going to try and catch some lightning tonight. Be careful. Be careful, babe. Phoenix. Sun's still shining in my life. Well, GTV doesn't like me anymore because of MG and his school, so I don't pay much attention. Oh, oh my god. Phoenix, you had to get Fred to share it to you. Not sure if he posted it or not. There's so many. I love you. Into my life. I stayed away from the queue now. I just want peace and love. Peace and love. I don't know the whole story, so that's why. So both of you guys are good friends of mine. So stay positive in life and this. Turn. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? Space in my heart, at the right time in my life. Thank you so much to those who hit the likes. Yeah, Phoenix. Phoenix Fred told me about that. In this Dave, Sheryl, you and Mike and Fred are all I care about now. Thank you, Phoenix. My three musketeers. Thank you, babe, Phoenix. Venus. I needed someone like you. Oh my god. I love you, Venus. Though his voice is a sweetheart. Yes. Beautiful. Oh my god. At least, I think she is. Yes. She's beautiful. And adorable. Super. Hello, Roy. You seem super. Ah, no, Roy. Thank you. 10 people in the house. the worries and fears that I have is what I'm really trying to say. It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. Thank you, Ryan. Did you know I needed someone like you in my life? There's an empty space in my heart. Love song.
I was walking all alone through the nights, through the cold. Every love would fade away. But you,
Oh, what did you today,
now
babe?
I see the world so
I do something for me and Mike because today is our monthsary, so something like celebrating that is our day.
love's about.
Only
Only you
you, only
make my skies a brighter blue. Every day, every night. You're the reason I feel alive. Hold me close, don't let go. You're the love I've always known.
honey, stop. Stop talking about them here. No need to talk about them.
Stars,
Their personal life. Please.
where you are. Through the highs and through the lows. You're the one.
I think we need to respect their something like that. We don't have the right to see something that negative here because we need to know our limits about that. So, they're it's really hard for me to see. No need to say anything about him. 6 months, yes, 6 months. Sorry, yes, for Phoenix to celebrate, yes. 6 months, celebrate. July. I know she's a sweater. You will have fun there in Philippines, living your best life. Thank you, Babe Phoenix. Unfortunately, I still have to wait to retire leave. I don't have a place to stay. Um, Phoenix, I don't want cake. I want Cheryl. Well, I am happy for you too. Thank you, Babe Phoenix. Me too. I want you. I want you, my love, mine. Maybe one day, Phoenix, you will be sitting here in the Philippines. Something like that. I can hide in the banana tree. I can hide in the banana tree. I can hide in the banana tree. Banana tree. Yes, Phoenix, I'll live the best life and enjoy being with Shara. It will be the best part of my life. Thank you, my love. I will eat some mango and bananas. Yeah. Some mangoes and bananas. I will need to find a banana tree close to you too one day so I can go dance and then go back to my rental bananas. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you so likes. Oh my god, 25 likes and 10 people. You're so cute. You're so cute. Ah, Phoenix. Hi, Zara. Redo. We can do the banana dance. What is the banana dance? What is... Ah! I can't imagine the banana dance. Zara Rido, hello. Sarah Rido. Rido. It's a dance really. Maybe I need to search the banana dance. Oh my god. I can't imagine the banana dance. But I think it's funny. Interesting. Zara, hello from Phoenix. Thank you, people. It's a funny dance. Yeah, maybe you can learn it and do a short. Okay, I will look. Maybe I need to search the banana dance. Wait. Banana dance. Oh my god. Banana dance. Where? Oh my gulay. Banana dance. Ah, okay. I know na. Wait.
I like this. God. Oh, I know na. Wait. Wait lang, one more. That's it. Good. Yay. Then let's see what she started. She loves to dance. Now she's going to learn the banana. Oh my god. That's going to Wild's wedding dance. Other wedding dance. I love dancing. Oh my god. Banana. I'm watching my ano because delay here, delayed. So that's why I can watch. Oh my god. Banana dance. Good job on the dance. Good job. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. In few minutes, I need to end the call, end the live because I need to on. I need to, before Mike is going to sleep, I need to talk to him. I want to see him. Maybe before he going to sleep. Quality time. What do you call this? Wifey and hubby time. Well, I will say goodbye. Thank you, Big Phoenix. Love to both of you. Thank you. Your turn, Phoenix. Now you need to do the banana dance on your next live. Yes! Do the banana dance. Phoenix, on your next live. Please. Please forgive me.
I must be crazy now.
Maybe I'm being too much.
When I think of you,
Maybe you want to get next to him. Maybe you want to from your hubby. Yes. Yes. Okay, see you too later. Thank you, Babe Phoenix. Thank you for joining, Babe Phoenix.
it's only you and me.
If only you were mine, I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Sugar came a move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words as they lie me from my soul.
You say you love.
Okay, Phoenix, sticker and Caesar, thanks for joining in. Thank you, Big Phoenix. Thank you, my love, Mike. And I joined the live. Thank you so much to those who are lurking here on the live. Thanks a lot. I need to end the live. So, thank you so much because busy. We need to do something here. We need to work. Life is not easy, so many things needs to do, something like that. So thank you so much. See you next live. Bye bye. Love you all.